Hello and welcome to Affinity. Here's a very quick and simple look at the humble little tool up there in the corner, the View tool, also called the Hand tool, which is why the shortcut is the letter H, and it's one of those letters that's useful to remember. If you want to get up there quickly, just press H. So if we go to here, what it does, turns into a hand. It means that we can drag the whole picture around the place. Why do we need this? If I roll the mouse wheel to get into here, yeah, I know it's not a great picture, very low res picture of a kite, but never mind, it serves a purpose. Now I can move this around like this. So when I click and hold, see the way the hand changes? It's like it's grabbing it. So I click and hold left button down. Now I'm moving around and I can look at various parts of the picture. I can also come down here and I can move this around. I can do this with the tools as well. It's a way of getting around down in the navigator pane. Let's go back to the beginning with Control 0 to see everything. Another useful thing about this tool is the information up here. You see here it's got the various information. It tells you the size of the picture, how many megapixels it is, there, which is useful if you've been changing the size of it. It's RGB. And also the camera it was taken with, the lens that was used, but it doesn't tell you up here the aperture and speed and things like that. For that you need to go to the EXIF information, which you can get through the View Studio tool here. Make sure the EXIF is checked there and it'll appear on the window or down here. I keep it down in the corner. Right, another thing that's useful about this is that if you go to, say you're doing a bit of cloning or something like this, and you want to look at a bit here and a bit over there, you've zoomed into it and you're doing a little bit of copying. At the end you want to move this about the place. Very simply, hold down the space bar, and now you've got the hand again, so you can move around the picture doing whatever you're doing, let go of the picture, and you're back to the tool you were using before. So that's another useful little thing. Something else, Control 0 to get out again, that's a bit of a confusion sometimes. If I say I've gone to the rectangle here, tool here, and drawing a rectangle around this, oops, here we go, and I'm going to take a copy, Control C, Control V to paste, and excuse me, let's get back to the beginning, there we go. It looks like nothing particular has happened. But if we look over here, we've got a layer here. So it's copied and pasted that bit there. But if I go to the hand tool there, the View tool, and try to move it, I can only move the picture itself, which is just confusing. The only thing you need to do is go down to the next tool down there, the Move tool. Now, when you've got this selected, you can move this around the place. And you can use that to resize and all sorts of things as well. So if you want to move a single layer, not the whole picture, you want the little arrow underneath the Move tool, not the hand, which is the View tool. Okie doke, there we go. Quick introduction to the Hand tool. H for hand. Remember, hold down, press H and you'll get to it straight away. Or hold down the space bar whilst you're doing something to get a move temporarily. Good for dragging around the place when you have zoomed in. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much for watching.